Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 6 best convertible car seat. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Britax 1/4 Life Slim All-in-One Car Seat. 10 years of use, 17.5-inch space-saver design, converts from rear-facing infant car seat to forward-facing booster seat, click-tight installation, mineral gray. Brand, Britax. Installation type, seat belt. Material, alloy steel, plastic. Color, mineral gray. Orientation, rear and forward-facing. All-in-one car seat, 1/4 Life, are slim as a convertible and harness 2 booster seat in one. It easily converts from a rear-facing infant and toddler seat, 5 to 50 pounds, to a forward-facing seat, 30 to 65 pounds, to a high-back booster seat, 40 to 120 pounds. Click tight, R, installation, install with confidence in 3 easy steps, pinch to open, thread and buckle, click it closed. Space saver, TM, design, slim outside, spacious inside. The 17.5-inch seat is designed to fit 3 across without compromising on trusted Britax safety and premium comfort. Britax cannot guarantee 3 across installation fitment in all vehicles. Premium car seat cover. Features a soft knit fabric with woven melange accents that are made from recycled polyester. The cover is safe to machine wash and dry and naturally flame retardant with no added FR chemicals. Trusted Britax safety, features a patented V-shaped tether, safe cell, R, technology, a high-strength steel frame, and 2 layers of energy management. Comfortable rides. This slim car seat includes soft comfort pads, built-in mesh cooling channels, 3 infant inserts, plush padding, and a tag-free headrest. Easy to adjust, the 15-position no-rethread harness and headrest adjust together easily with one hand, and the 9-position recline has an easy read indicator to help you find the correct angle for your vehicle. Number 2. Britax Poplar S Convertible Car Seat. 2-in-1 car seat with slim 17-inch design, click-tight technology, glacier graphite. 2-in-1 convertible car seat. The Britax Poplar S fits up to 50 pounds when installed rear-facing while easily switching to forward-facing as your child grows. Install with confidence every time. With click-tight technology, there's no guessing or stressing. Fully open seatbelt paths are clearly labeled and easy to access. Open, thread and buckle and click it closed. Rebound reduced stability bar. Carbon steel bar easily attaches to the car seat when installed rear-facing to minimize movement in the event of a crash. Must be removed when installed forward-facing. Refined comfort, tailored fit. This Britax car seat features premium inserts and padding to create an elevated fit and feel. Space saver design. Slim 17-inch seat is designed to fit 3 across without compromising on trusted Britax safety and premium comfort. Britax cannot guarantee 3 across installation fitment in all vehicles. Room to grow. 14-position no-rethread harness and headrest adjust together easily to help create the perfect fit. Britax safety. The carbon steel frame and safe cell crumple zone help absorb crash energy, and a patented V-shaped tether helps slow forward movement. Number 3. Britax Poplar Convertible Car Seat. 2-in-1 car seat with slim 17-inch design, click-tight technology, stone onyx. 2-in-1 convertible car seat. The Britax Poplar fits rear-facing up to 50 pounds while easily switching to forward-facing as your child grows. Install with confidence every time. With click-tight technology, there's no guessing or stressing. Fully open seatbelt paths are clearly labeled and easy to access. Open, thread and buckle, click it closed. Space saver design. Slim 17-inch seat is designed to fit 3 across asterisk in certain vehicles without compromising on trusted Britax safety and premium comfort. Asterisk Britax cannot guarantee 3 across installation fitment in all vehicles. Room to grow. 14-position harness and headrest adjust together easily to help create the perfect fit. Britax safety. The steel frame and crumple zone help absorb crash energy, and a patented V-shaped tether helps slow forward movement. Flip forward buckle pad. Stays out of the way for easy boarding in the toddler seat. Naturally flame retardant. The car seat cover is made of naturally flame retardant fabric with no added FR chemicals. Simple cleaning, washer and dryer friendly cover in 2 dishwasher safe cup holders. Number 4. Graco Slim Fit 3-in-1 Convertible Car Seat, Ultra Space-Saving Design, Darcy, suitable for rear and forward-facing, high-back booster seat with 10-position headrest. Brand, Graco. Installation type, latch. Color, Darcy. Orientation, rear-facing and forward-facing. Convertible design, transforms from rear-facing harness, 5 to 40 pounds, to forward-facing harness, 22 to 65 pounds, to high-back booster, 40 to 100 pounds. Slim fit, rotating cup holders and 10% slimmer design saves valuable backseat space. Safety assured, Graco Protect Plus engineered for rigorous crash tests, frontal, side, rear, and rollover crashes. Effortless adjustability, no rethread simply safe adjust harness system and 10-position headrest adapts to your growing child. Comfortable, for position recline ensures comfortable journeys and better installation. Easy installation, in right latch system for a 1-second attachment with an audible click. Eco-friendly. Meets or exceeds all safety standards set by the US government and is rigorously crash tested to meet or exceed US industry standards. Number 5. Safety First Grow and Go All-in-One Slim Convertible Car Seat, rear-facing, 5 to 40 pounds, forward-facing, 30 to 65 pounds, high-back booster seat 40 to 100 pounds, Alaskan Blue. Brand, Safety First. Installation type, latch, seatbelt. Color, Alaskan Blue. Orientation, front-facing, rear-facing. Grow with MSR Seat. The Safety First Grow and Go All-in-One Convertible Car Seat is a car seat for extended use through 3 stages, rear-facing, 5 to 40 pounds, 19-inch or 40, forward-facing, 30 to 65 pounds, 34.4 or 49, belt positioning booster seat, 40 to 100 pounds, 43.4 or 52. Getting a good fit is quick and easy. The Grow and Go All-in-One Convertible Car Seat with quick fit harness simplifies harness and headrest adjustments, making it easy to get your child in and out of the car seat. Simple TO Clean. The washer and dryer safe seat pad features snaps that make it easy to remove from the convertible car seat, along with 2 dishwasher safe cup holders for fuss-free cleaning. Additional features you'll love: 2 removable Grow With Me baby pillows for a snug fit while riding in the convertible car seat, 3-position recline for just the right fit. Important information engineered and tested to meet or exceed federal safety standards. Meets federal side impact standard. Actual fit may vary. Not all children will comfortably fit in the seat for the full weight and height ranges listed. Number 6. Graco Forever DLX 4-in-1 Car Seat. Charlie, infant to toddler car seat, with 10 years of use, rear-facing, forward-facing, and booster modes, safe, comfortable and convenient. 4-in-1 car seat gives you 10 years of use, seamlessly transforms from rear-facing harness, 4 to 40 pounds, to forward-facing harness, 26.5 to 65 pounds, to high-back booster, 40 to 100 pounds, to backless booster, 40 to 120 pounds. Graco Protect Plus engineered, a combination of the most rigorous crash tests that helps to protect your little one in frontal, side, rear and rollover crashes, and additional testing based on the new car assessment program and for extreme car interior temperatures. No rethread simply safe adjust harness system allows the headrest and harness to adjust together in one motion. Choose the perfect headrest height from 10 positions to get the safest fit for your child as they grow. 6-position recline keeps your child comfy and helps for a better installation. Graco's exclusive and right latch provides an easy, 1-second attachment with an audible click to help ensure secure installation. Integrated belt lock-off for easy vehicle seatbelt installation. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.